Hi guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra, and today I am going to show you my dining room and I'm going to show you how I set my table for Easter. So this is the overview of the dining room. I want to get actually slip covers for the chairs to make it look a little more shabby chic, you know, with ruffles and like kind of like back ties. I am looking for that. So I think that would be really nice, and I think that would make it look more shabby chic in here, the theme I'm going with, and probably for these chairs here. Okay, and I want to get a new light fixture because even though I colored it, I think I need something else. But anyway, this is what I have right now for Easter. So I'm going to give you a close look at what I have on the table, and I'm going to show you the place setting right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I set my table for Easter. Okay, it's kind of formal and kind of not, so I'm not going all the way formal, but I'm going to show you how I set my table and all the things I used. This is going to be decorated on each place setting exactly like this. Okay, so let's start with the tablecloth. The tablecloth is gorgeous. I got this from Williams-Sonoma, I want to say maybe 10 years ago. 10 years ago, I'm not sure. And these are the napkins. So I pulled it out. I haven't used this in a very long time. So I pulled it out of, I guess, my drawer, my storage. And I was, you know what? I'm going to use the green this year because I bought these green plates from Hearth and Hand, the little ones. That's what started everything. This is the tablecloth. The tablecloth is no more available. All right, so then I put that wooden chargers from Target Dollar Spot, and then I put the other charger that's like a lacy charger that's from Michael's, and then I put these beautiful plates from Threshold from Target. They're so beautiful, and I think that green matches so perfect with these little plates from Hearth and Hand. And I think it turned out really, really pretty. And then I put the place card holders right on top of the napkins just to give it a little more space. So this is pretty formal. And then these glasses are from Pioneer Woman. You've seen those before. And then I put the knife, the spoons on the right side, and on the left side I put the forks. That's like the formal way to set up your flatware. I will leave a little picture here. Maybe you're going to screenshot it. It's very helpful. And even if you want to buy something like that, it's like a little placemat, and you always have it for reference. Because I know when I don't do it for a long time, I forget to. So, right side is the knife, the little spoon, and then the big spoon. And then on the left hand is the big fork, and then the little fork. That's a formal place setting for your flatware. And then your glasses are on your right side too. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of glasses. I'm going to just put this one. So that's why I said I wasn't going so formal. Kind of, but not all the way. All right, so I love how beautiful this looks. I'm going to give you another shot from above. I got this runner from Bed Bath & Beyond, which is such a pretty runner. If you can really look close, I just loved it. I was surprised I found it there, so I picked it up. And then I just put the bunnies in the middle. I think it looks so pretty. And then these pretty pressed glass. You put little candles in there. I don't have yet, but I'm going to have on Easter. So I just love how this all turned out. So this is my centerpiece with the bunnies and the pressed glass. I'm really loving the pressed glass.